We start with science first. We just want to improve, and there's just this drive to always be the best. There's many times when we're formulating a product or making a major decision at the company, we really think, what's more important here, image or what works?
Well, I think science first, it's not just a catchy logo to us or a tagline. It really guides everything we do.
So it's a tremendous responsibility to maintain that level of integrity and quality in everything that we do.
I'm proud of our products. I know how much work goes into developing them. Everything we do is backed up by science.
We do a lot of due diligence when we put those products together, and we love to release them into the world and let them do good.
Being a family-owned and run company, we've always been able to, at any cost, offer the best product on the market.
It's not about profit, it's about bringing wellness to everybody.
At Designs for Health,
We design a well world.